kids went out to play to the blue pond on a sunny day. With a splash and a laugh, they had a ball, throwing and bouncing their colorful ball. But one little kid ran off with a cheer, chased a butterfly far from here. Mommy called with a worried face, only 4 kids came back to her place. 4 little kids played by the shore, tossed the ball and laughed some more. One wandered off to pick a flower, then there were 3 in half an hour. 3 little kids by the pond so blue, splashed in the water, just those few. One saw a duck and followed behind, then only 2 were left to find. 2 little kids played near the tree, rolled the ball and giggled with glee. One heard a sound and ran with delight, then one was left by the pond so bright. One little kid stood all alone, with the ball near the lily zone. Mommy called, her voice was sad, but no little kids came back. How bad? So Mommy walked through the hills so high, with a lantern shining in the sky. She searched and called, "Kids, where are you?" Her heart was kind and her love was true. Then Mommy saw the sweetest sight, 5 little kids in the pale moonlight, playing and laughing near the pond's wall, with ducks and stars and the colorful ball. 5 little kids went home that night, hand in hand in the soft starlight. They gave Mom hugs and that was all, safe and sound